Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Maths Online class of class 2. Myself Priya and I hope you all are doing good. Students, today I will teach you adding and subtracting hundreds and it is given on page number 41, 42 and 43. So all of you open page number 41 first and pay attention here. Now come to page number 41. Here you will learn adding and subtracting hundreds. Few examples are given. 100 plus 100. Add this all together 200. And you can write like this: 100 plus 100 equal to 200. Now second one, 200 plus 500 is equal to 700. Write like this: 200 plus 500 equal to 700. Third is 900 plus 100 is 9 plus 1 is 10 and write here hundreds. And 10 hundreds you can say 1000. Okay student. Now question number 1, fill in. A part, 200 plus 100. Add these together, 2 plus 1 is 300. Now second, B part, 400 plus 100. 4 plus 5 is 5. 500. C part, 600 plus 300 is 900. Write in the space given 9. Now next, D part, 200 plus 200s equals to dash hundreds. Add both together, 2 plus 2 is 400. E part, 400 plus 500 is 900. Write in the space given 9. Like this you do this part also. Now come to I part, 100 plus 100, 200. J part, 200 plus 200, 400. You can add these together like this also. 200 plus 200. Now add this one. Add the one 0. Add the tens here 0. Now add the hundreds 4. Answer is 400 now. That means the answer here 400. Next, K part, 300. 300 plus 300. First you add ones 0. Now add tens 0. Now add here hundreds 6. The answer is 600. Right here in the space given 600. I hope you understood this one. Do yourself this part. Now we will do subtracting hundreds here. Page 41 same, question number 2. Fill in. Here few examples also given. 200 minus 100. 2 minus 1 is 1. Right here 1. 100. 7 minus 5 is 2. Right here 100. 700 minus 500 is 200. You can write like this also. 200 minus 100 is 100. 700 minus 500 is 200. Now fill in the blanks. A part, 400 minus 100. 4 minus 1 is 3. So write in the space given here 3 hundreds. 100 is already written. You have to write only digit. B part, 300 minus 200. 3 minus 2 is 1. Right here 100 in the space given. C part, 500 minus 300. 5 minus 3 is 200s. D part, 600 minus 400. 6 minus 4 is 2 hundreds. E part, 700 minus 300 is, now first what will you do? 7 minus 3, 4. The answer is 400. Like this you do this one. Now come to H part. 400 minus 100. 400 minus 100. 0, 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now answer is 300. Write in the space given 300. Now I part 600 minus 200. First you subtract the ones, subtract the tens. Now subtract the 100. 6 minus 2 is 4. 400 now right here in the blank 400. Now J part 600 minus 300. 600 minus 300. 0, 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. The answer is 300. Right here 300 in the blank. Now this part you will do yourself, okay, in books only. I hope you understood this one. Simple addition, subtraction of 3-digit number. In this page we will do addition sums. One example is given. An example is here. The question is 273 plus 625. So how you can write? First you have to add the ones. 3 plus 5, 8. Now add the 10. 7 plus 2, 9. Add the hundreds. 2 plus 6, 8. The answer is 898. Like this we will do exercise part. A part 432 plus 63. Add the ones. 2 plus 3 is 5. Add the tens. 3 plus 6 is 9. And add the hundreds. 4 plus 0 here. Right here 4. The answer is 495. Like this we will do B part. The question is 317 plus 22. Now add these together. Add the ones first. 7 plus 2, 9. Now add the tens. 1 plus 2 is 3. Add the 100, 3. The answer is 339. Next C part. The question is 832 plus 56. First we will add the ones. 2 plus 6, 8. Add the tens. 3 plus 5, 8. Now add the hundreds. Here 8 is given only. Right here 8. 888. D part. The question is 730 plus 258. Add both the numbers together. This is simple addition. 0 plus 8 is 8. Now add the tens. 3 plus 5 is 8. Add the hundreds. 7 plus 2 is 9. The answer is 988. E part. The question is 131 plus 607. First we will add ones. 1 plus 7 is 8. Add the tens. 3 plus 0, 3. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 6, 7. The answer is 738. This one, students, you have to do yourself in homework, and in copies you will do. Okay, in books and copies both you have to write this work. Now question number 2, addition. A part. The question is 152 plus 45. Add the ones. 7. 2 plus 5. Now add the tens. 5 plus 4, 9. Now add the hundreds. 1. The question is the answer is 197. Next is B part. Here the question is 947 plus 52. First we will add the ones. 7 plus 2, 9. Now add the tens. 4 plus 5, 9. Add the hundreds. 9. The answer is 999. C part. The question is 206 plus 400. First we will add the ones. 6 plus 0 is 6. Add the tens. 0 plus 0, 0. Add the hundreds. 2 plus 4 is 6. The answer is 606. Like this other part we will do. D part. The question is 658 plus 131. First we will add the ones. 8 plus 1 9. Add the tens. 5 plus 3 8. Now add the hundreds. 6 plus 1 is 7. The answer is 789. Now come to E part. Question is 146 plus 133. First we will add the ones. 6 plus 3 is 9. Add the tens. 4 plus 3 is 7. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 1 is 2. I hope you understood this one. This part you will do yourself. This one also in copies. From F to J part you have to do in copies. Other part you will do in books. Now come to page number 43, and here we will do subtracting hundreds. Here also an example is given. The question is 875 minus 632. So let's start. First we will subtract the ones. 5 plus 2 is 3. Now subtract the tens. 7 plus 3 is 4. Now subtract the hundreds. 8 minus 6 is 2. Like this you will do. The answer is 243. Now come to exercise part. A part is already done. Now we will do B part. The question is 354 minus 23. First we will subtract the ones. 4 minus 3 is 1. Subtract the tens. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now subtract the hundreds. 3 minus 0. Here we write 3. The answer is 331. C part, the question is 589 minus 54. First we will subtract the ones. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now subtract the tens. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now subtract the hundreds. 5 minus 0. Here nothing is given. You can write 5 here. The answer is 535. Next D part. The question is 258 minus 126. First we subtract the ones. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now subtract the tens. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now subtract the hundreds. 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 132. Now come to E part. Question is 496 minus 205. First we will subtract the ones. 6 minus, we will do subtraction of ones. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now subtract the tens. 9 minus 0 is 9. Now subtract the hundreds. 4 minus 2 is 2. The answer is 291. F to J part you will do in copies yourself in homework. In books also you will write yourself. Now second one. Now beta come to question number 2. A part is 158 minus 33. First what we will do? We have to subtract the ones. 8 minus 3 is 5. Now subtract the tens. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now subtract the hundreds. 1 minus 0 means here nothing is given. You can imagine 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. The answer is 125. B part. The question is 284 minus 61. First we will subtract the ones. 4 minus 1 is 3. Subtract the tens. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now subtract the 100. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now C part. The question is 499 minus 176. First we will subtract the ones. 9 minus 6 is 3. Subtract the tens. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now subtract the hundreds. 4 minus 1 is 3. The answer is 323. Now come to D part. The question is 275 minus 153. First we will subtract 5 minus 3. Right here 2. Now subtract the tens. 7 minus 5 2. Subtract the hundreds. 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 122. Come to E part. The question is 684 minus 342. First we will do subtraction of ones. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now subtract the tens. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now subtract the 100. 6 minus 3 is 3. The answer is 342. And this one from F to J part you will do in homework yourself in copies. I hope you understood this one. You can do answers. Note down the answers from here also. After doing the work, you can match from here. This is page number 42 and this is page number 43. Okay students, now thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.